Predictive UC Analytics monitors. In this video, we'll be setting up a real-time monitor in the Predictive UC Analytics web application. When setting up a monitor, simply select the Monitors icon at the top of the screen. If this is the first monitor you're setting up, then it will pop up a window automatically with the properties of that monitor. If you already have monitors in place and you wish to create a new monitor, simply select the Create Monitor icon in the upper left-hand portion of the screen. Now, when setting up a monitor, you must first give it a name that represents the data that it is showing. In this case, we'll be looking at all outgoing calls from the sales department. Notice that you can also assign it to a user or share it with a user. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will leave the default settings. Now, notice that you are also given a value to monitor on. In this case, we will be looking at session key, the default. But notice that you are given a list of options to choose from. The criteria of values shows the values that you wish to monitor on. Notice that this looks a lot like the filter section. Now notice that you are given a number of plot and summary field options. These options allow you to control how the plot will look. In this case, we're going to plot the function of session count, but notice that you are given a number of different options, including concurrent, sum, min, max, and average. We are also given a summary field. In this case, we will select duration. Now let's look at the columns property. This property allows you to choose the columns that you wish to display in the detail record listing. To add a new column, simply select Add New Column and select from the list below. To delete a column, simply select the X on the right-hand side. Now let's look at filters. If you have more questions concerning filters, reference the filters video. We'll be setting up a simple filter on direction. The advanced options allow you to choose the time zone, the row limit, and a number of other options regarding snapshot. The advanced option allows you to select the time zone, the maximum row limit of the detail columns, and allows you to switch between persistent monitor, which is a monitor that monitors real-time values 24/7, or a snapshot, which goes back to a specific date and time and rebuilds the monitor from that point. Now let's talk about alarms. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will not be enabling an alarm. Now, to set up your monitor, select OK. Notice that we are given a number of charts and graphs, as well as detail columns with the columns that we had selected, and summary columns. Also notice that you are given some options in regards to the charts, to pause the monitor, the properties if you wish to go back and select certain properties to change. You are able to copy the monitor, as well as open it in a new window. And to delete it, simply select this icon.